Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 and fitting additional engine earth straps. This is video 20 in my series of videos about my XK8. In this video I'm going to explain how you can't just remove your earth strap and how I added additional earth straps, plus also some issues with earthing loops. Okay, the normal earth strap between the engine and the body is situated on the left hand side between the inner wing and the engine and gearbox mount. To improve the grounding on my car, I decided to fit a mirror image earth strap. Obviously XK8s are all very susceptible to battery issues. I thought it wouldn't hurt to have an additional ground off the engine to the body. So as you can see here, I've fitted a pair of engine straps additional to the existing one. Not my original intention, but I'll explain why I couldn't take off the original earth strap. Before I'm going to go any further, a bit of a warning about ground loops. So after doing this, I haven't had any issues with my car whatsoever, but there is a potential for a ground loop which could cause issues with the sensors on the car. So ground loops, basically, it's an unwanted electrical current path in a circuit resulting in stray signals or interference, occurring, for example, when two earth points in the same circuit have different potentials and cause a loop. So this is particularly when one of the earth straps actually acts as a return path for the circuit. So it's very particular actually to electronics, not necessarily engines. However, it is something to bear in mind. As I say, I had no issue with my car whatsoever. Okay, the old and extra earth strap are seen here on the right hand side of the engine, just behind the catalytic converter. The earth straps I fitted, if anybody is interested, were a flexible braided cable of tin copper construction, approximately 228mm or 9 inches. I used 11mm diameter strap, basically it's 50mm squared, and I put the ends, one was 8mm, one was 10mm for the engine, 8mm for the body. These, if you search on eBay, you can get for about £7. If you search for something like car engine earth strap 9-inch 50mm squared, you should get something that fits the bill. Bear in mind, the bigger and beefier they are, or the heavier duty, the better, because you don't want any earth loops. Okay, in addition to that, you're going to need an extra bolt, ideally a flange bolt, because you want as much surface area for conducting the electricity as possible. I chose to use an M8 by 1.25 pitch. This is actually fits a nut that's already in the body in the correct position. Roughly 15mm long or more. These are maximum £3 each if you buy one or two. Obviously, if you buy 10, you get basically almost for the same price, could be a tenth of the price. If you're interested for that, you need to search for M8 by 1.25mm plated flange bolt, and something like this will pop up. Again, about £3. So we're looking at, for about £10 you can fit an additional air strap, for £20 you can have a pair, and that's exactly what I did. The mirror image side of the body has this nut in the same position on the right hand side, and I fitted the air strap directly to that using the bolts I described. I did tap out the nut, obviously it's coated in paint to give the best metal to metal contact, and fitted the strap. On the right hand side of the engine, the original air strap can't be removed unless you take the exhaust off, and the catalytic converter to be precise, and that's quite tricky obviously. So I didn't do that, it wasn't worth a faff, and I actually fitted to a lower bolt along the gearbox mounting, and that bolt was able to be removed quite easily, or move out enough to get the strap underneath, and tightened it back up to 48 Newton meters, which is specified torque for that. And that's why I didn't move the original air strap. So it's actually got 3 air straps, so that engine is thoroughly grounded. If there's any ground loops, good on them. Okay, and there you go. There's my extra air strap. All three of them all fitted. So actually, I shouldn't have any cranking problems or problems getting that voltage from the luggage compartment to my engine. Thank you very much for watching. It may be unnecessary to do all this earthing strapping, but you know, for £20, why not? If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.